Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Spiritual Accompaniment School, promoted and led by the Sector for the Formation at Salesian headquarters in Rome, has reached its 6th edition. The school in English began on 7 April 2024 in Bosco with 25 participants from 18 provinces of 4 Salesian regions: East Asia, Oceania, South Asia, Africa, Madagascar, and Central and North Europe. The first week was spent in Bosco reflecting on the roots of the spirituality of Saint John Bosco, on his experience of formation at the Convento, and on his experience of going almost uninterruptedly for more than 30 years of Saint Ignatius at Lanzo for the spiritual exercises, joining Father Joseph Cafasso. It was also a time to visit and get to know the different Don Bosco places in Turin. The activities of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM for 2024 began on Saturday, 13 April. The place chosen for the occasion was the same place where it all began 50 years ago, the Camilo Oturas Mont School in Macul, where over 400 young people from all over the country converged. The celebration was particularly special, given that 2024 marks the 50th anniversary of the existence of SYM in Chile and the 200th anniversary of Don Bosco's childhood dream. The motto chosen for the occasion was, "A dream that has changed your story and mine." During the day after the reception, animated by the music of the Bosco Sonora Band, there were entertainment shows, moments of reflection and sharing focused on gratitude for those who made these 50 years of SYM possible. Salesians in the province of South Korea, KOR, celebrated their Provincial Community Day on 16th April. The gathering, which began with evening prayer, was attended by over 100 people. The good night was given by Father Joseph Fook, Councillor for the East Asia Oceania region, who is making the extraordinary visitation to KOR province. He thanked the KOR province for its financial contribution to the team visit held in Vietnam and for its generosity in supporting various missions in the region. Subsequently, the consultation for the choice of the next provincial for 2024 to 2030 took place. The festivities took place in a cheerful atmosphere and simple entertainment prepared by each community. A liturgical service of the altar LSO meeting for the province of Krakow PLS was held last weekend, 13 April, at the Salesian Seminary in Krakow. The meeting was attended by about 230 people, including altar servers, readers, young singers from the Schola Cantorum, and their parents. It all started with a greeting to participants, introduction, and fun together. 2 conferences were offered. Altar servers and the readers listened in the seminary hall to a conference by Father Miroslav Kosik, SDB, on Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, while the parents and others accompanying the boys went to the chapel for a conference prepared for them by Father Andreas Gobiowski, SDB. Accompanying When Trauma Hits is the title of the training course scheduled from April 3rd to 17 at the Salesian Pontifical University in Rome. This course, organized by the university in collaboration with the Don Bosco Nel Mondo and the Don Bosco Network, aims to provide tools for the management and prevention of trauma for educators, teachers, and members of the Salesian family working in armed conflict contexts. Participants include representatives from 3 Salesian provinces: Middle East Province (MOR), Greek Catholic Vice Province of Ukraine (UKR), and Poland Krakow Province (PLS), as well as from the Diocese of Donetsk, Ukraine. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.